3, so I have one apple and I multiply it by 3. I have 3 apples. What does 3a mean? Well, there's an invisible dot there. You can also write it 3a. Obviously, you can write 3a like 3 times a. You can write it like 3 brackets mean multiply. 3 times a. You can also write it in maths, a dot means multiply. 3 dot a is equal to 3a. Alright? A multiplied by b in maths is ab. Because there is an invisible dot there, I can also write ab like a times b is. This actually means a multiplied by b. A multiplied by b. A dot b. So dot means multiplied. This means a multiplied by b. It doesn't mean a plus b. It means a multiplied by b. Alright? Another example. Right. We'll start off with, what if we had 3a times? We can write like this, but for this purpose we'll write it like this. 3a multiplied by b. Well, you saw what happened when you multiplied a times b. You got, so multiply the letters first. ab. If you multiply a by b, you get ab. And 3 times, what number is missing here? 3 times 1 is 3. So what do? You multiply the numbers first and then multiply the letters. So another example, if we had 4c times 2a, multiply the numbers first. 4 times 2 is, and c times a is ca or ac. Put the letters in alphabetical order. A to ac. Now, what happens if we have 4c? Actually, we'll go back to a little bit of basics again. C times c. If the letters are the same. C squared. Why is it c squared though? What's the power that's missing here? It's a 1. It's never written. The one that's missing. What number is missing in front of the c's? Right, so we'll start again. So we'll go, these are called the coefficients, the number in front of the letter. So what's 1 times 1? Now, when you're multiplying c times c, what you do is you add the powers. What's the blue 1 plus the blue 1? Okay, that's my answer. How else can I write my answer? Just c squared. Alright, so c to the power 1 times c to the power 1 is c squared. Alright, what's c to the power 2 times c to the power of 3? Add the powers. Well done, Mike. Alright, what if we had 2c squared times 3c to the power of 3? Now we'll put 4 there for case. Multiply the coefficients. What are the coefficients? The numbers in front of the c's. 2 times 3 is 6c, and add the powers. 6c, 6. What if we had minus y squared times 2y 3? Actually, I'll write the powers in blue. What number is missing? What coefficient is missing here? That's minus 1. So first of all, we'll multiply the coefficients, the numbers in front of the y's. Minus 1 times 2. Write down the y, and we add the powers. Another example. 4xy xy squared. What's the coefficient that's missing here? Multiply the numbers. 4 coefficients. 4 times 1 is? Look at the x's now. What's the powers on the x's? 1 and 1. Look at the y. The powers are 1 plus 2. 3. Okay. Another example from the book. Minus 5e times minus 2e. Alright, first of all we'll deal with the signs. Michael, what's minus times a minus? Like signs? Plus. Multiply the coefficients. 5 times 2. And we have e. Yeah, there's 1 plus 1. 2. What happens if I have 2d, e, and d again? Well, hold on, we've used the same order, same approach. What number is coefficient? What number is missing? Stay still. What number is missing? Let's multiply the numbers. 2 times 1 is 2. Times 1 is 2. Now, which letter comes first? E or D? D. We'll deal with D's first. So we have add the powers. And now we'll write down E. Deal with E. There's only one E, isn't it? E to the power 1 or E. One more example. Stay there. First of all, look at the numbers. 2 times 3 is 6 times 4. 6 4s are. Now we're going to deal with x first of all. So we have a x to we have a 2. X power 2. Now write down y. Y, we've got a 1. Plus a 2, plus a 1. Alright?